my name is Sydney if you are new to my channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be a Marshalls clothing haul. So I wanted to pick up some clothing, mostly dresses, that's pretty much what all I got, for our trip that we have coming in November because I'm turning 30 and we are actually going to be getting professional pictures done on the beach. I already booked someone. So I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff I got. If you would like to see what all I picked up for under $100, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you're gonna be able to tell throughout this video that I have kind of a theme. It's all like blues and neutral colors. But the first outfit, the first dress that I got is this really pretty light blue striped dress. Now I love that this is just a t-shirt style dress. It's super comfy. It'll look really cute with my little white sneakers, little tennis shoes, and it's just very casual and super soft and comfy. I love that it makes you look put together, but it's also super casual and feels like you're wearing a nightgown. Now this dress was only $9.99. So I thought that was a steal. But yeah, these are my favorite types of dresses, these t-shirt style ones. The next dress that I picked up is this really pretty sweater material dress, and it's got these buttons on the side. It's a tank top dress, so you can wear it going into the fall time, and when it's winter and cold, you can throw a cardigan over it. This was actually on clearance for only $10. And it just looks so nice. I love the fitting look. I love the slit on the side. It makes it look so pretty. So yeah, you could wear this dress even when it's still a little warm outside, or in the winter you can throw a cardigan over it, which I found this cardigan for $4. So this was on clearance. It's just a plain muted brown cardigan, and I love how long it is. It's super soft. But it was on clearance for $4 because it had like 4 stains on it. But it looked like lipstick stains, but I was able to get those out. And this looks really nice with the brown buttons on this dress. So this outfit together was only $14. I think that is awesome. And this sweater is just so versatile. I'm gonna be able to get so many uses out of it for different outfits, so I thought that was awesome. So I love that sweater dress so much. I got it also in a black color. It's also got the buttons down the side with the slit, so I love that. This dress was $12 instead of $10, so I wonder if it's because it's black, I guess the color. That $12 for this sweater dress, that could be used when it's warm or cold. So I'm really happy I picked this up. So this next dress I'm considering for our pictures. This is option 1. So there's actually 2 options that I want for our picture. So this is the first one. It's just a light blue. It is basic, but it's got such a pretty blue color. And when I look at this, I think of the ocean, the beach. I think this would be really pretty and classic. For photos, more timeless. This dress wasn't on sale, but it was only $16.99. It's got this simple tie in the front. I love that the top isn't too plunging. It's just a very pretty classic piece. Next is another clearance item and more buttons. I love these buttons. It just adds so much to this normal plain Jane type dress. So this was on clearance for only $10 as well. And like with the other dresses, I could wear this now that it's warm, or I could wear it into the fall and winter, just throw a cardigan over it. So this one I got in a size medium, so it fits a little bit big, but I've been seeing just plain linen looking dresses like this online, and a bunch of bloggers I follow, they dress in a lot of this style of clothing. So that's the thing about Marshalls, is you can find really pretty designer looking clothing, but for very inexpensive. Okay, the next item is another cardigan. It's a very long white cardigan, and I got this for only $10. It was on clearance. And this is lightweight, so you could wear it in the fall, even in the winter. But I thought this would be pretty with the other blue dress I showed you. If it's cold on the beach or cool in November, which it probably will, it's just hard to say, I could always toss this white cardigan over that. I didn't have just a slouchy white long cardigan like this, so I was excited to see it was only $10. Okay, so the last dress is option number 2 for our photos. And it's this really pretty light blue and white long maxi dress. and the pattern is really pretty. I love it, and when I see this, I also picture like classic beach pictures. So I thought that I could maybe wear this one. Also, if it's cold, I could wear this white slouchy cardigan over it. I thought that looked pretty, and especially when it's off the shoulder. This dress was not on sale. It was $19.99, but for 20 bucks, I think this dress is really nice and the quality is awesome. So I'm really excited that I picked this up. But let me know in the comments below, would you wear option 1 or option 2 for photos on the beach? So while I was there, I did look over at the men's clothing and I found these shorts for only $12.99, and I just thought those looked so cute. They looked so beachy to me as well. So I was gonna have my husband wear these, and I went ahead and picked up a shirt to go with it. So this is just a polo shirt, and this was originally $12.99. So this outfit I think is very nice, will look really good for our family photos. And if you compare it with these, what do you think? So I think the tones of these colors look really nice. My daughter's probably gonna be wearing this white dress, and my son will probably be wearing this striped shirt, but I may end up picking something else up for the kids later. But this is the color theme I'm going with for our photos. If you guys enjoyed today's try on haul, I would love for you to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day. You as you drive, do you know